welcome to Leila's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy, simple Persian chicken kebab or Joojeh Kabob. If you are a big fan of barbecue, I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Let us start. The ingredients are as follows. If you don't catch them now, you can find them in the description down below. For 4 servings, you need to have 2 pounds of chicken. I'm using chicken breast, but you can use any part of the chicken that you like. 1 medium-sized onion, I sliced it in big pieces. 1 cup of plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon each of salt and pepper. A tablespoon each of paprika and turmeric. 2 lemons. Half of a cup of saffron solution. I've already crushed just a pinch of saffron and I added 3 ice cubes to give it a shock, to have a better color. If you don't have it, you can skip it, but it is a signature of this dish. Some olive oil, some butter, and 4 tomatoes to barbecue with the chicken. First, I'm going to prepare the marination. I'm going to start with the yogurt. Next, adding salt and pepper, my spices, give it a stir. Traditionally, they don't make this dish spicy, but if you prefer spicy, you can add some chilies. Okay, I'm gonna slice and squeeze some lemons. Don't forget to remove the pulp after juicing the lemon, because when you barbecue your chicken, you don't want to have the burnt pieces of lemon on your kebab. Now that's the time for saffron or red gold. I'm gonna add just 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna save the rest to use while I'm barbecuing the chicken. It's time for olive oil. I'm gonna add around 1 tablespoon. The last but not the least is the onions. As you see, I sliced them in large pieces because I'm gonna remove them later. Now it's the time to add the chicken to the marination. I've already cut my chicken into 1 to 2 inch cubes. If you cut them too small, they're gonna burn while you're barbecuing them. I've coated all pieces of chicken. Now I'm going to cover it and let it rest for overnight. But if you are in a rush, you can just marinate it for 2 hours. I took the marinated chicken out of the fridge. Now it's time to put the chicken on the squares. Just be careful to remove the excess marination to avoid burning the chicken. And it's very easy. Just gently push the squares through the chicken, like that. Okay, it's done. You repeat the same step for other squares. For tomatoes, it's very simple. Just simply cut them in half, like that, and gently push the squares through. For the next one, again, just cut in half, gently push the squares through. It's ready. I melted the butter and I added the saffron. I'm gonna use it later to brush the chicken while I'm grilling it. My grill is ready. Now it's the fun time. Barbecue Persian style. Look at my beautiful grill. It's ready to go. I prefer a charcoal fire to get a smoky flavor, but you can use a gas grill. Put the skewers on the hottest area of the fire, here in the middle. The thing about Persian barbecue that you should put the meat directly over the fire to get that special flavor. And I'm gonna save the tomatoes for later because they cook faster. I cooked them roughly about 4 minutes. Now I'm going to turn them over. To get the nice flavor and color, I'm going to brush the chicken with saffron and butter on all sides, and I'm gonna repeat it several times. Now it's the time to add the tomatoes. You should grill each side of the tomatoes about 2 minutes and then brush them with butter and saffron to get the nice flavor. Look at them. They look so appetizing. The smell is amazing. And if you don't have a barbecue grill, it's so easy. You can do it on top of your stove. Look at it. It is a wonderful recipe for your backyard that you can share with your friends and family. You can serve it by itself, with rice, or as a wrap. Bon appetit!